There are a lot of music players, and even the default music player is good. Each different manufacturer, they kind of customize the music player, and how I use a Huawei device, it has a different music player than other devices, but the music player is kind of limited. When I click, for example, on a music here, there aren't many options, but nonetheless the music app is fine. And today I'm gonna show you a music app that is very underrated, and I'm gonna tell you why this app is underrated, because of the developer's own fault. So this is the music app, guys. It's not only a music app. As you saw when I opened it, it was in the video mode, which is a video app and also a music app. But what I like about it is you can use it in your lock screen. So if you go in settings, you have enable lock screen. But what I don't like about it is whenever you open the settings, you get these pop-up ads. As you can see, enable music lock screen. So whenever I'm gonna lock my screen, it will be normal, but when I'm gonna use enable music lock screen, whenever I'm gonna lock the screen, it will be in this mode, which for example, this mode is useful when you're running, for example, or when you're in the car. So we just want to, for example, skip musics or play pause and slide to unlock. But as you can see in this lock screen, you have this ad which you can't get rid of it unless you pay for the full version. Slide to unlock and you get back into the app. You can change the backgrounds here, for example, choose another background that you might like. There are a lot of cool backgrounds. Let's choose this one, for example. It's pretty cool, but for the camera it's not really good because you can't really see much. Now let's play, for example, a music. Let's play this, for example, Hangout Call. I'm gonna lower the volume, but when you press on music, it opens like this, and you can swipe right to have this like kind of disc. And if you swipe right once more, you have all the other musics. So I like to have this one here. But what I like about this app especially is, for example, press on the settings of this music, for example, on these points. Then you have all these options which set as ringtone, send, details, rename, cut or delete, which the default music app doesn't really have these options. You might have set as ringtone on the default one, but what I like about it is cut, which if you press on cut, then I can't really cut that one. Let's try this one. For example, if you download the music from YouTube and you have like at the beginning that is only speaking, whatever you want to cut the music, like the beginning or the end or something that you don't like. So by this you can cut it. This is the end, for example, and this is the beginning, for example. Once you're done cutting, you can play to see where it starts and where it ends, and you can save it up the top. You don't really need another app to cut your music. So with this app you can play music, you can cut music, and you can as well watch videos. So for example, let's watch this video. For example, you press on the video starts playing, and look at this. If I lock my screen and if I unlock again, I still have this lock screen which I used on the settings. So it's really cool because I can unlock it, I can keep watching the video, or if I just want to play the music again, I lock and unlock and play the music again and it starts playing. So this is really cool if you want, for example, to watch a video but then you want to go back and play the music, which is really cool. But overall, this is kind of my favorite music application. The only negative, like I said, is having those annoying ads. This app is very underrated, and it's because the developer's own fault. Because look at here at the top, the application is called video. It should be called like, you see, video player. It should be called like video music, something like that. Because if you go into the store, for example, I was having trouble to search for this app because a friend of mine used it, and I asked, oh, tell me what's the name of the music. He said like, oh, video. Let's search just for video, for example. Video. It's very hard to find the app on the Google Store. You see, there's a lot of applications called video player. Just by video, it's not a good name. So I can't really find it now. I'm gonna have to go to my apps. You're gonna see in the store it's also called video. You see here, video. Really dumb. So it's really hard to find the app. I'm gonna leave you guys the link on the description, but this is the developer's fault because, well, they named the app very poorly, even though the app is really cool and it has not only an option which is play video, but has options to play video, play music, cut music, which is really cool. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and let me know your opinions about the app itself.
When you don't wake up next to me.